Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix T-Mobile home internet not connecting today. Quick troubleshooting steps. To fix the T-Mobile home internet gateway that is not connecting today, you must resolve underlying causes like temporary firmware glitches or loose SIM card connections. Instantly restore your service by unplugging the power cable for 60 seconds to flush the device memory or by resetting the physical SIM card to force a secure cellular handshake. If local devices still show no internet, forget the Wi-Fi network on your phone or tablet to clear out state IP configuration, establish a clean data flow. First, perform a delayed power cycle. Turn off the power switch on the back of the gateway or pull the power cable out completely. Now wait for full 60 seconds before reconnecting the power to completely flush the device memory. Give the gateway 3 to 5 minutes to search for tasks, download background updates, and re-authenticate. Second, verify your signal quality and screen errors. The small screen on top or on the front of your device provides direct hardware diagnostic codes. Look for an X or no signal icon on the built-in LCD screen. If you see WAN connection error, the tower is rejecting your gateway's data handshake. Move the gateway to a different window, ideally on the elevated shelf or second story, to break past localized cellular interference. Step 3. Remove and clean the SIM card. Unplug the power source to prevent shorting out the chip layout. Then locate the SIM card tray on the bottom panel of the round flash card model or the side slot on the square cube layout. Eject the SIM, clear any dust of the gold contacts using a soft cloth and reinsert it securely until you feel it click. Fix 4. Clear stale connected device profile. Turn your individual device's Wi-Fi off, wait for 10 seconds, and then turn it on. If that fails, go to your device's network preference, choose Forget Network, and reconnect by typing your password there. On iOS, go to Settings, then go to Wi-Fi and tap the I icon next to your network name and tap Forget this network. On Android, go to Settings, then go to Network and Internet or Connections, then go to Internet or Wi-Fi, then tap the gear icon next to your network and tap Forget or Remove. Fix 5. Trigger a factory hardware reset. Locate a tiny recessed reset pinhole on the back configuration panel. Press and hold a paperclip inside the hole for 10 to 15 seconds. Then release it when the screen flashes, then use the default Wi-Fi name and password printed on the bottom sticker to log back in. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.